Welcome back, anybody. Now you're probably looking at that and seeing dirt, stones, and a little tiny hole. And if you're like me, you're wondering, now how could that get there? So I think there's a little hint right over here, right there. Now that doesn't tell you anything, but in a moment you're going to see what it came from. And this here is the front outrigger for my sawmill. And if you notice down here, the dirt right there matches exactly the dirt that came out of the hole. So you're wondering how did all that happen? And you'll notice that the outrigger isn't attached to the sawmill anymore. The good news is they used a relatively inexpensive carriage bolt to bolt this onto the frame, so they all just sheared off without doing a lot of damage, other than just being embarrassing. Speaking of which, with all embarrassing moments, it's nothing until you can share it with somebody else. And my friend Matt was there to watch everything, and somebody else 200 yards away heard the commotion, and they know about it too. So I figure, well, I can't keep it a secret, so here we go. We're going to put this back on. You'll see that too. So I'm guessing that the new bolts are the ones that are longer.
I think the other one's in the thing.
You know, many times as I was
long enough, ain't they?
Oh yeah, they're fine. But many times as I've been leaving the shop, since I forgot to put the foot up.
I heard the bang. I'm like, what the hell could he have possibly hit over there?
Well, it just usually scrapes, and I feel the scraping, and so I can stop and fix it. Well, this time I was going a little too fast, and
you might want to hang that before you put the fourth one in.
Yeah, you're probably right.
You know what I mean?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let me do that.
There you go. Now, probably need an extension for them.
There. I'm going to leave these loose.
Here, have a coffee. I can.
Okay. I'm going to leave these loose until I get the front set down. Then I can tighten everything up.
Let me see.
That looks like 9/16.
Correct. I've got longer extensions in there.
There. There we go.
There's a new one.
Crap, you know, I got this all put together, and I forgot to put the washers on.
Where do they go?
In between.
Oh, they go on before,
Yeah.
just behind the nut.
Yep.
Where every sandwich, I'll put them together.
Oh, great.
I'll fix it.
What do we got here? Oh, Duncan.
Yeah, well,
I hope you got one for you.
I ate it on the way here, and I'll warn you, I spit half the bacon out the window.
Why
It's
is that?
supposed to be maple flavored bacon, but
Okay, as a special note to my friend Ravi with his brand new LT40, this is going to happen to you at some point. No matter how hard you try, eventually you're going to forget to raise the foot off the front outrigger, and hopefully, like most of the times I've had it happen to me, it just scrapes on the ground a little bit and you catch it. This time it didn't work out, so be aware.